Hey there, I'm Candy Negus and I'm the owner of Order Your Spaces here in Mobile, Alabama, and I am a professional organizer. I help women reduce the stress by reducing the clutter in their home, and I help them streamline and find simplicity and restore their home back to a place of sanity. So today we're going to be discussing something called prime real estate. And actually, in the organizing world, we like to call that first place storage. And so I'm going to kind of give you an example of what first place storage actually means by using my kitchen cabinet as an example. First place storage means that we are going to place the items that we use every day or that we use most frequently in prime real estate, meaning right here in front of us. The most important cabinet, the most important space in our closet, the top drawer in your bathroom, that is prime real estate. And so, as you see in my cabinet today, I have my dishes and my bowls that my husband and I use on a daily basis. It makes it really easy to store this way because when I empty my dishwasher right here, it just goes right here. Now, up here, this is not prime real estate. This is the back property, and on the back property, I put my overstock. These are my extra dishes, my extra bowls. They are the things that do not get used every day, okay? They're the things that get used when my kids come home for holidays or eating dinner with us. And then up here, where I cannot reach, is where I keep our soup bowls and our ice cream bowls. I purposely put the ice cream bowls up top, hoping that if we can't reach them, we will be less likely to eat ice cream. Not sure that's really working for us. I'd love to know your ideas on where you put the ice cream bowls so that you don't eat ice cream so much. All right, so I've given you a little example of prime real estate. I also love these risers. These come in a gamut of price range. You can get them anywhere from Dollar General to Home Goods to Bed Bath & Beyond. I've seen them at TJ Maxx. They come in bronze, stainless, white, gray, whatever you like, whatever looks good in your cabinet. These are great. If you don't have these in your cabinet now, run out and get some today because you can double stack and utilize all this vertical space. If you don't have the riser, then what you end up doing is stacking 12 bowls that look like they're going to fall out on you as soon as you open the cabinet, and you're going to break one, or somebody's going to break one. And by adding the riser, you can just put the bowls and the plates that you use every day right here. Now, if you have a large family and you're using 6 to 8 to 12 plates a day, you still want a riser so that you can put 6 plates up here and 6 down here. It just decreases the risk of somebody breaking one when they're putting them away or taking them out. Now, prime real estate, first place storage is something that I use in every cabinet and drawer in my house. For example, in my kitchen, I am going to put my spatulas, my saran wrap, all the things that I use kind of on a weekly basis are going to be in my top drawers. Something like my baking supplies, I don't bake very much, guys. Sorry, I really don't. I choose to take my measuring spoons and my baking cups and put them further away from me in another drawer because they can go on the back property. They don't need to be in the prime real estate. And an example of how I might do that in my pantry, when I help clients, a lot of times I see this. I open their pantry or I walk into their pantry, and right there at eye level might be all of their Christmas cookie cutters and Christmas baking dishes and stuff. And so I turn around and I go, so do you use your Christmas baking supplies frequently? And the homeowner always says, no, I only use them once a year. Okay, great example. You don't want to take up your prime real estate, your first place storage, with things you don't use often. So in your walk-in pantry or in your cabinet pantry, take the items that you don't use much and put them on the top shelf. For me, that's going to be baking supplies. Baking is always going to be on the top shelf. My baking dishes, my baking pantry items, it's always going to be on the back property, so to speak. When you go into your bathroom and your bedroom closet, same thing. The clothes that you want to wear every week need to be front and center. The jackets or the coats or the scarves or the pants that you don't wear frequently need to be on the back property. In your bathroom, that top drawer, it needs to be what you use every day. Your cosmetics, your toothbrush, whatever it is that you use a lot, it needs to take up first place storage. Whatever it is that you don't use often in your bathroom, for example, move it to underneath the cabinet, move it to the bottom drawer, move it somewhere on the back property. Now, these are just tips for how to make your home run more smoothly for you, tips on how to have the things that you use most accessible to you, most easy to reach, most easy to see, top drawer, not bottom drawer, front and center of the closet, not side panels of your closet. So, I hope you enjoyed this tip today, and as always, leave me a comment. Where do you struggle with first place storage? What needs to be shifted in your kitchen cabinet so that the things that you use are readily accessible? And as always, share this video. Let's build our online community by sharing tips that help women streamline their homes, that help us on an everyday basis. Thanks for joining in today, and I will talk to you guys later this week. Have a great one. Bye-bye now.